Hypocrisy की भी कोई सीमा होती है. PM Modi should say this to his dear friend Trump now. Trump is punishing India with his highest tariffs for importing Russian oil. But do you know that his own country also imports from Russia? Here are 3 facts that expose the US's tariff hypocrisy. First, ever since the Russia-Ukraine conflict started in 2022, the US has imported goods worth $24 billion from Russia. Almost 14% of the US's fertilizer imports, 12% of their uranium imports, and 36% of their palladium imports still come from Russia. And the US president conveniently said he doesn't know anything about this. Second, the US also indirectly imports from Russia. They get around $4 billion worth of refined petroleum products from India and Turkey. And a big share of this is just refined Russian oil in a different packaging. And ironically, Trump has exempted these imports from his tariffs. Third, if the US's problem is truly Russian imports, then why has it not imposed such high tariffs on China and the European Union? China is the biggest importer of Russian oil. They buy nearly half of Russian crude exports, while we buy just about 1/3. Even the European Union trades more with Russia than India does. Still, Trump has kept their tariffs low at 15%. Because the US can't survive without Chinese and European goods. These countries are the biggest sources of US imports. But Trump can afford to fight with India, as we make up just about 3% of their total imports. So turns out the US is anti-Russia only till it's convenient. And it's based on which country they can afford to bully. The question is, till when will the West villainize India for the exact same things they've been doing all along? Share this with all Indians and follow us for more truth for free.